Hi students, today morning from 9 to 10 a.m. the test is completed. Now in that 30 questions, few questions given out of the material. From 1 to 16 we given out of the material. From 17 to 30 those questions are already there in your material only. Now from 1 to 16 we will discuss solutions for these questions. Question number 1. Let A equal to matrix is given 1 2 0 1. Here we need to find A power n. Before finding A power n, I will find out A square. A square means A into A. 1 2 0 1. Multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1 1. 2 into 0 0. That is 1. 1 into 2 2. 2 plus 2 into 1 to total 4. 0 0. 0 into 2 0, 1 into 1 1. This is what A square, like 1 2 into 2 0 1 is there. I will find out A cube also. A cube means what? A square into A. A square means I will take this 1401 into, because you can write here 2 square also, n square also given in 2 power n also given, but which is satisfying we need to check. 1 2 0 1. First with first column, 1 into 1 4 into 0, that is 1. 1 into 2 2. 4 plus 1 4, that is 1 plus 4 is, so 2 plus 4 6. 0 here 1. Here the expression what we will get here 1, we can write 2 into 3. 0 1. This is which one? A cube. From this we can write A power n like this. 1 2 into n 0 1, that is 1 2n 0 1, that is option 3 is the correct one. Next, question number 2. If A is a 3 by 4 matrix, A order is 3 by 4, A dash B and B A dash are both defined, then B is of order. A dash what will get? 4 by 3. First, A dash B. Here A dash order is what? 4 by 3. Into B, when product of two matrices possible, here clearly the first matrix number of columns equal to second matrix number of rows must be same. The columns we don't know. For B matrix, we got the number of rows. Next, one more also defined. What is that? B A dash. B already we know the number of rows. And A dash, what is A dash? 4 by 3. When again product is possible, here number of columns in first matrix equal to number of rows in second matrix. What is the number of rows in second matrix? 4. That's why clearly order of B is clearly what? 3 by 4 only. That is option 2. Next, third question. A and B are square matrices of same order. A plus B into A minus B. This product don't write directly A square minus B square. This is not a number, it is a matrix. It is not satisfying commutative property. A into A square, A into minus B minus AB, B into A plus BA, B into minus B is minus B square. This is the correct value, that is option 3. Next, fourth question. They given A matrix and B matrix. We need to find A minus B. I am writing directly A minus B. That is 1 by pi. A matrix is sine inverse of x pi, tan inverse of x by pi, and sine inverse of x by pi, cot inverse of pi x, minus B. B is 1 by pi into minus cos inverse of x pi minus So only tan inverse of x by pi, sin inverse of x by pi minus tan inverse of pi x. These two subtraction. In this both, what is the common here? First 1 by pi is common. Take 1 by pi is common. If you subtract sin inverse x pi minus of minus plus cos inverse of x pi, tan inverse minus tan inverse, value become 0. Sin inverse minus sin inverse, value become 0. Here cot inverse of pi x plus tan inverse of pi x. According to inverse trigonometric property, sub 1 by pi, the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, pi by 2, 0, 0, this also pi by 2. I will take pi by 2 common, overall 1 by pi into pi by 2, what remaining 1, 0, 0, 1, here pi cancel, 1 by 2 into, this is what identity function, answer is 1 by 2 into I, that is option 4 is the correct. Next, question number 5. A equal to 3, 2, 4, 5. AC equal to A into C equal to 19, 24, 37, 46. Here we need to find C matrix. If you send A that side, pre-multiply with A inverse into A into C equal to A inverse into the matrix 19, 24, 37, 46. A inverse into A, that is clearly I into C, that is C matrix, equal to A inverse into 19, 24, 37, 46. Now to find C matrix we need A inverse. A inverse how to find? Det A use 15 minus 8, that is how much? 7. Adjoint we can find out easily for 2 by 2 matrix. Interchanging diagonals, change the sign for non-diagonals. Now A inverse formula already we know, 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by 7 adjoint A is 5 minus 2 minus 4, 3. Take equation number 1, that is from 1 C equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? 1 by 7 into 5 into minus 2 minus 4, 3 into 19, 24, 37, 46. 1 by 7 into 5 into 19, how much? 95. Minus 2 into 37 minus 74. 5 into 24, that is 120, minus 6 2 is 12, 8 plus 9, that is 92. Minus 4 into 19, that is minus 58. So 58 alla minus 70, 9 4 is 36 plus 4 76 ma. Minus 76, here 50, 21, 937, 291 plus 1, 111 will get. Next 3 into 46, that is next second row with second column, that is minus 96, minus 4 into 24. 46 3s are 3 6 are 18, 12 plus 1 19, 198. 12 plus 1, yes, sorry, 12 plus 1 na 138. From this C equal to 1 by 7 into, subtract this, how much will get here value? 7 minus, so total 21 will get difference. Next here 120 minus 92, 8 plus 20, that is 28. Next here in 111 if subtract 76, the 24 plus 11, that is 35. Here 138, 96 if remove means They are 4 plus 38, 42. Now if you divide with 7 for every element, what will get? 3. Here 4 will get, here 5, here 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, they are in which option? Option C is the correct one. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. In triangle ABC, det of 1, 1, 1, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin B, 1 plus sin C, sin A plus sin square A, sin B plus sin square B, sin C plus sin square C equal to 0. Here we need to find the triangle is which type of triangle we need to find. For simplification purpose, I will do here column operation C1 minus C2. Next, C2 tends to C2 minus C3. Okay, by subtracting this value becomes 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Here we will get sin A minus sin B. Here sin A minus sin B plus sin square A minus sin square B. Second column 0, 1 minus 1, 0, sin B minus sin C. Here sin B minus sin C plus sin square B minus sin square C. Last value 1, 1 plus sin C plus sin square C equal to 0. Here the condition wise, the value in C first, this is sin A minus sin B. This is like A square minus B square. You cannot sin A plus sin B into sin A minus sin B. That means overall from first column I can take common sin A minus sin B. From second column we can take sin B minus sin C, because here sin B minus sin C, this is again A square minus B square, sin B plus sin C into sin B minus sin C, that term also common. Remaining what? 1, sorry 0 here, 1, here 1 will get, here remaining part is what? Sin A plus sin B, 0, 1, 1 plus sin B plus sin C. So last value what? 1 will be there, 1 plus sin C and sin C plus sin square C. Its complete that value is 0. Now, that is that if you expand along row 1, if you expand, already sin A minus sin B is there, into sin B minus sin C is there. If you expand along row 1, first two terms are 0 already, that's why last term 1 into AD minus BC, 1 into 1 plus sin B plus sin C, minus we will get 1 into 1 plus sin A plus sin B is what we will get? Minus 1 minus sin A minus sin B is equal to 0. Here sin B cancel. Here of factors what we will get? Sin A minus sin B into sin B minus sin C into sin C minus sin A. The product of three factors is 0. Either first factor is 0 or second factor is 0 or third factor is 0. Sin A minus sin B 0 or sin B minus sin C 0 or sin C minus sin A 0. From this, sin A equal to sin B, sin B equal to sin C, sin C equal to sin A. When these two values equal, the angles must be equal, either A equal to B or B equal to C or C equal to A. Any two angles are equal, that is which triangle? Isosceles triangle, that is triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means which option? Option 2 is the correct. Next, question number 7. A root of the equation det of 0 x minus a x minus b x plus a 0 x minus c x plus b x plus c 0 equal to 0 given. I will do verification method by substituting x is equal to 0 in this. 0 minus a minus b, a 0 minus c, b c 0. This is clearly Q symmetric matrix. Q symmetric matrix of order 3 determinant is always 0. Already given statement. Q symmetric matrix of order 3 det value is what? 0. That's why it is 0 equal to 0. Now which value of x satisfied? X is equal to 0. That is option 3 is the correct one. No need to expand. Not required also. Next, 8th one. If the elements of a row of a matrix are multiplied by cofactors of corresponding elements of any other row and added, then their sum is. The logic is clear. If you take A11, A12, A21, A22 is there. These are the elements. For this corresponding cofactors, what will come? Capital A11, capital A12, capital A21, capital A22. They are asking the elements of a matrix. Elements of matrix I am taking A11 and A12. First row I am taking multiplied by cofactors of corresponding elements of other row. That means I will take cofactors here like this. Element with corresponding cofactors of other row. Capital A11, capital A21, capital A12, capital A22. This sum always gives 0. And when you will get det A means, det A is sum of product of elements with corresponding cofactors. This can be anything, any manner. A21 into capital A21, A22 into capital A22. When you take sum of the product of elements with corresponding other cofactors, then the value of that is always a 0. When det of value will get means sum of product of elements with corresponding cofactors of same row. Here A capital A11, capital A12 what? A11 cofactor. This capital A12 is cofactor of A12. Corresponding cofactors if you take, then that is a det will come. Otherwise the value becomes 0. That's why they given elements of one row, cofactors of another row. That's why the value is always a 0 only. That is option 2 is the correct one. Next. Question number 9. If the determinant det of xp plus y, xy, yp plus z, yz, 0 xp plus y, yp plus z equal to 0 given, where p is a real number. Here we need to find x, y, z are in which progression we need to find out. I will try to make these two elements are 0. C1 I want to make element by using C2 and C3. Here x multiple what is there? P. That's why for C2 I will multiply P into C2 plus y enough. That's why I will take only C3 directly. This value we are subtracting from C1. What will come? C1 xp plus y, p into x, px plus y. Both are 0. Here yp, correct, yp plus z is also 0. Here 0, leave it. P into this one, that is p into this means what? Minus xp square plus yp plus c3. C3 means yp plus z. Here what? Second column, third column, no changes. To make zeros only we applied operation. Now I will expand along C1. Along C1 means what here? 0, 0. Last element x p square plus 2 py plus z into deleting row and column remaining zx minus y square equal to 0. This term is not 0. Okay, na? Only zx minus y square equal to 0. Zx equal to y square, that is y square equal to xz. This is a condition for which one? Geometrical progression. X, y, z are belongs to clearly GP only. That is option 2. Option 2 is the correct one. Next, question number 10. 10th question is given. Root minus 1 is I. Omega is non-real cube roots of unity. Omega is not a real number, it is a imaginary number. Already we know that omega value is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 is the omega value. We need to find that of 1 omega square, 1 plus I plus omega square, minus I, minus 1, minus 1 minus I plus omega, 1 minus I, omega square minus 1, minus 1. When it is a omega is cube roots of unity, conditions are what? Omega cube is 1, 1 plus omega square is 0. Sum of the roots. 1 omega square, 1 plus omega square, what will come? Minus omega. That's why is I minus omega. Minus I, minus 1, minus 1 minus I plus omega, 1 minus I, omega square minus 1, minus 1. Now I will add R1 plus R2. Adding R2 row completely to the R1. Now what will come? 1 minus I, omega square minus 1. By adding here plus I, minus I cancel. Minus omega plus omega cancel. What will get? Only minus 1. Minus I, minus 1, minus 1 minus I plus omega. Here 1 minus I, omega square minus 1, minus 1. Here which rows are identical now? R1 and R3 are identical. Are identical. Any two rows or any two columns are identical. The value of determinant is 0. That is option 4 is the correct. Next, question number 11. Det of I power m plus 2, I power m plus 3. So m plus 1 only here. Here 1, here 2. Second row, I power m plus 5, I power m plus 4 and I power m plus 3. Third one, I power m plus 6, I power m plus 7, I power m plus 8. This value we need to find out where I. We know I square is minus 1, I power 4 is 1, I cube is minus I. How means I square into I. In this first row I can take I power m plus 1, I can take I power m into I power m into I square. So I power m I will take common in first row, in second row, in third row. What remaining here? 1. Here what remaining? I. Here I square. Here I power 5, I power 4, I cube. I power 6, I power 7, I power 8. This is I power 3m. 1, I minus 1. I power 4 is 1 into I. That is I. Here is 1. I cube is minus I. I power 6 means you can write I square whole cube. I square is minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. I power 7. I power 6 into I. I power 6 how much? Minus 1, that is minus I. I power 8. I power 4 whole square. I will take minus common from third row. 1 I minus 1. I 1 minus 1 I. Minus common means what will get? 1 I minus 1. Now which rows are identical now? First row and third row. R1, R3 identical, or I can write same. So identical or same means the value of determinant is 0, that is option 2 is the correct one. Next, question number 12. Det of log x, log ax, log bx, log y, log ay, log by, log z, log az, log bz. Here we need to find this value. I will do here C2 minus C1. Similarly, C3 minus C1. Reason, log A minus log B means log of A by B. X will be cancelled, like that here X also will be cancelled, Y and Z. So I am applying these operations. Here what? Log X, log Y, log Z. Here what will you get? Log Ax minus log X, that is log of Ax by X. Directly I am writing ma. Next, log of Bx by B, sorry, Ay by Y will get a log Az minus log Z, that is log Az by Z you will get. Next, coming to C3 minus C1, log Bx minus log X, that is log of Bx by X, log of By by Y, log of Bz by Z. Here XX cancel, YY cancel, ZZ cancel. In first, second column, what is the common? Log A. Third column, log B common. Log A, log B common from C2 and C3. So log A into log B to det of log X, log Y, log Z. Here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again C2, C3 identical, value becomes 0. Next, question number 13. The equations x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0, ax plus by plus 8 equal to 0 have non-zero solution. Non-zero means non-trivial solution. That value is 0. That is one solution. Or these lines compulsory concurrent lines. Concurrent line means we have condition that of value becomes 0 only. So have non-zero solution. That value is 0 with and also the lines are concurrent. Concurrent means how to find det of x coefficient, y coefficient, constant. 2, 3, 5, a, b, 8. Another method means by solve these two equations, x and y will get substituted in third equation. You will get the condition. They are asking which value, a plus b value. 1 into 24 minus 5b minus 2 into 16 minus 5a plus 3 into 2b minus 3a equal to 0. 24 minus 5b minus 32 plus 10a plus 6b minus 9a. First a values, 10a minus 9a, a, 6b minus 5b plus b. 24 minus 32, that is minus 8. A plus b value how much? 8. That is option 2. Next, question number 14. If the determinant delta equal to det of 3 minus 2 sine 3 theta minus 7 8 cos 2 theta minus 11 14 2 equal to 0. Here we need to find sine theta value. Okay, expand along row 1 only. 3 into 16 minus 14 cos 2 theta plus 2 because here minus sign, deleting row and column, minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus of minus plus 11 into cos 2 theta. Last sin 3 theta into minus 7 into 14, that is minus 98 plus minus of minus plus that 88 equal to 0. Multiply inside 48 minus 42 cos 2 theta minus 28 plus 22 cos 2 theta. This is minus 10 sin 3 theta equal to 0. Now simplify 48 minus 28, that is clearly 20. Minus 42 plus 22, that is minus 20 cos 2 theta minus 10 sin 3 theta equal to 0. Now 10 take common from this, remaining 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta equal to 0. 10 that side, take that side, remaining 2 minus 2 cos 2 theta. I'll take right side also this one, that is sin 3 theta. 2 common, 2 without also I can write. We need sin now, that's why cos in terms of only sin formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Sin 3 theta formula. 3 sin theta, or keep this side only, no problem. We'll take one common factor. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is equal to 0. Now if you multiply inside, 2 minus 2 plus 4 into sin square theta minus 3 sin theta minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta equal to 0. Here 2 cancel. We will take common sin theta overall common. Sin theta common means first highest term 4 sin square theta, next plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Now second term is a quadratic equation in terms of sin. First value 0, sin theta is 0, or 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3 into 4 minus 12. Minus 12 factors is what? 6 2s are. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 you will get. Sum you will get plus 4. That's why 4 sin square theta. 4 sin theta I am writing 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 equal to 0. First two terms I will take common 2 sin theta. Remaining 2 sin theta plus 3 minus 1 common 2 sin theta plus 3. Overall 2 sin theta plus 3 common, remaining 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. From this sin theta what? Either 1 by 2 or minus 3 by 2. But minus 3 by 2 is not given, but we got 0 is given and 1 by 2 is there. So we are taking only two terms, 0 or 1 by 2. That is, first option is correct. Next, if A is a non-singular matrix and det A is 3 given, order how much given? N value 3 only. They are asking det of 2A whole power minus 1, 2A whole inverse. This we can write or without also we can write. How it is right means exactly notations. 2 power minus 1 into A inverse. This I will write 1 by 2 A inverse. So det of 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 only. But while writing out of that value, det of Ka equal to K power n into det A, where n is the order of the matrix. While taking out of that, we have to take 1 by 2 whole cube, n is 3, into det of A inverse. So 1 by 8. What is det of A inverse formula? 1 by det A. That is 1 into 1, 1 by 8 into det A is 3. That is 1 by 24. Option 2 is the correct one. Next, 16th problem. the number of distinct real roots of sin x, cos x, cos x, cos x, sin x, cos x, cos x, cos x, sin x. Real roots of this determinant means when at what value of x it will become 0. The roots of means we need to, when this that value if expand means we need to get 0. Directly expand it will become very lengthy value, and this x is clearly given belongs to closure interval minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. At what value it will become 0? First, for easy purpose, I will take C1 tends to C1 plus C2 plus C3. By adding all columns, so first column, common factor what will get? Sin plus 2 cos x. Sin x plus 2 cos x. Sin x plus 2 cos x. Sin x plus 2 cos x. Remaining cos x, cos x, sin x, cos x, cos x, sin x. Sin x plus 2 cos x is common. Det of 1, 1, 1. Cos x, cos x, sin x, cos x, cos x, sin x. For simplification purpose, after applying column operation, I have to apply row operation only to make these two elements are 0, R2 minus R1, R3 minus R1. And R3 tends to R3 minus R1. The first factor we are not taking, that is not be 0, because in that interval whatever is there, this is not equal to 0. From minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, this value never exists, because if you simplify you will get tan x is minus 2, we won't get in between that, because at pi by 4 1, minus pi by 4 minus 1, you never get a chance to minus 2. So remaining get of 1 here, cos only, 1 minus 1 0, sin x minus cos x minus cos x 0, R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 0, cos minus cos 0, you will get sin x minus cos x. Now to get the factor we will take equal to 0, because actually they are asking at what value of x this have a root. Root means solution, where root means what? If you substitute that x value, this determinant value we need to get 0. If we expand along C1 or R3, no problem. Along C1 I'll expand 1 into what you will get, deleting row and column, sin x minus cos x into sin x minus cos x, that is sin x minus cos x whole square, remaining all values are 0, equal to 0. Send square that side, sin x minus cos x is 0, sin x equal to cos x. From this tan x equal to 1, tan 1 at which angle? Only pi by 4 in this interval. That's why the number of roots is equal to what? Only 1. That is option 2 is the correct one. Now remaining from 17 to 30 already is there in material. Verify with your material, you will get the solutions. Thank you.